What's up, guys? Ready for a compilation of road rage incidents where instant karma strikes?
Whoa!
Let's dive in.
Oh man. I got it on film. I got it on film. I got it on film.
Everything's on camera.
Want me to stay?
No road rage gonna happen.
Okay. Good job, buddy. You might as well just hit cars, man. Like, seriously. Oh, seriously, man. Like, you gotta be careful.
Oh! Whoa! Hey!
I don't see any function of this car's wiper blades. Rain makes a road a dancing stage for cars. That's one way to get a front row seat to your own funeral.
Whoa!
No older than 18. Their subordinates were standing.
Sudden stops on highways are a recipe for disaster.
One more step and to the Maria Master realm. Stephen was curious about the man.
We just updated our quest game leaps again with a huge.
These lucky moments will leave you saying, I can't believe that happened.
Oh my god!
That's the consequence of running a red light. A good day turned into a bad one when encountering a reckless driver. The car was getting out of control. Even the tire started to run away from it.
Oh! Glenn, I can't even tell you what just happened in front of me.
The wheel's squeaking.
The car's wheels.
This is the reason why people are scared of driving near trailers.
Я умоляю тебя, взад, взад, давай, Слав, взад! Взад! Мама мия, Слава, взад, как-то.
Some dudes drive as if they owned the road.
Like, unfortunately, he's going to lose another place.
The clients need a swift service, and FedEx takes it really seriously.
He's going to be able to sneak down the inside. He's actually going to lose.
Luckily, the driver's reflexes helped avoid a car crash. Apparently, the truck can't survive such an insane skill. Reminder: drive slowly when taking a curve.